Sigma Voice makes mass calling simple, fast, and effective. From this call broadcast page, you can choose the option that fits your needs, like standard alerts, campaigns with live transfer options, or personalized messages with dynamic text-to-speech. We're based in San Diego, with over 20 years in business and responsive US phone and email support. Here's how easy it is to launch a voice broadcast with Sigma Voice. In Section 1, just name your campaign and select the start and stop times. Calls go out based on the recipient's area code to ensure compliance and optimal delivery times. Section 2 lets you customize your caller ID and select different recordings for human answers and voicemail machines, so your message always sounds appropriate. You can even enable live answer digit response options. For example, press 1 for English or press 3 for Spanish and route callers to the appropriate follow-up message. Next, choose the number of phone lines. More lines means faster delivery, up to thousands of calls per hour. Section 3 is where you select your contact group, enable wireless scrubbing, and choose whether to retry numbers that don't connect on the first attempt. Once everything looks good, click Send Call Broadcast, and your campaign is on its way. After your campaign is sent, you can view real-time results right here in the Call Reports section. Each row shows a summary of your broadcast, including the number of calls dialed, how many reached live humans or voicemail machines, and the total minutes used. You'll also see the progress status, group ID, and scheduling details at a glance. Click on any campaign name to dig deeper into detailed reports, call logs, and even pie charts to visualize response rates. This helps you measure results, identify trends, and fine-tune future broadcasts with confidence.